Life is all about the moments that are big and small. Since we have a limited time on earth, making the most out of it means doing what we can and when we can. There are 6 small and important things that can make your life better. While the improvement may be small, but it adds up every day. Number 1. Call someone you are having issues with. If there is someone in your life where issues are getting in the way of your relationship, give them a call. Try to make amends and patch things up while the opportunities are present itself. Do not wait and believe that just the passage of time will make the things better. If there is something you can say which will improve the situation between two of you, call them and talk. At the very least, you have the satisfaction of knowing you tried even if the things do not work out. But if both of you want things to be better, it starts with a phone call. Number 2. Support someone in the need of help. Helping others benefits them and you at the same time. For helping someone across the street of figuring out larger, more difficult situations together. There is much you can give to others if you take the time to do so. Of course, this does not mean you should try to solve everyone else's problems or take on the troubles of the world by yourself. But you can do the little things that will make this world a better place. And you will feel better as a result. Number 3. Owning up to your mistakes. One of the most difficult things in life is owning up the mistake that we have made. It's never easy as pride and self-consciousness get in the way of dealing with our problems. It may be true that the most difficult thing to do is not just realizing the mistake we have made, but telling others about them. If you made a mistake that affected others, then you should own up to it by apologizing, by recognizing that you have done. It makes it easier to move on. The same is true for mistakes that hurt only you. To recognize, accept the blame, then you can move on in your life. Number 4. Show your appreciation. Telling others how we feel about them is never easy. But it needs to be done in ways that express your appreciation. Letting someone know that you do appreciate them takes very little time and becomes easier to more often you do it. Start by saying thanks when someone does something to you. Even if it is quite small, a little notice of each good deed can build up over time and make your relationship stronger. Number 5. Do one task at a time. Feeling better about your life starts with one small task at a time. You can make a list, but often it is just better to find and complete a small, positive task when you are thinking about it. From giving replies on pending emails or removing the clutters from your desk. Many small tasks reap positive benefits when you do them daily. Once you have completed your first small task, make a list of what needs to be done around your home. Then add to that list small tasks that need to be performed in your life. By taking it one task at a time, you will accomplish your goal faster. And number 6. Pass it on. When you do something helpful for others, the best reward is to tell them to pass it on. This means encouraging them to do good deeds for others as you have done for them. And when someone asks you to pass it on, find ways to do so in your life. You will look forward to it.